Like all businesses, dental and orthodontia practices are required by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, to promote safe and healthy working conditions. While there are currently no specific OSHA standards for the dental industry, there are numerous biological, chemical, physical, and environmental risks in dental practices that are subject to OSHA requirements. In particular, dental practice owners need to be aware of special OSHA safety standards that pertain to radiation and bloodborne pathogens, as well as cuts, punctures, and lacerations. Here are 3 common risks affecting dental staff safety. Number 1. Sharps injuries. Among the most common risks affecting workplace safety in dental offices are sharps injuries. A syringe puncture can potentially expose dentists and hygienists to hazardous pathogens, which is why OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standard is one of the most frequently requested and referenced standards for dental offices. Its requirements include a written exposure control plan to be updated every year, providing employee safety training specific to handling bloodborne pathogens, the use of universal precautions, an approach to infection control to treat all human blood and certain bodily fluids as if they were known to contain HIV, HBV, or other bloodborne pathogens, providing employees with appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves, masks, glasses, and gowns, providing exposed employees with a free hepatitis B vaccine as well as any necessary medical follow-up, using proper sharps disposal boxes and containers for regulated waste and contaminated laundry. Number 2. Radiation exposure. Dentists and orthodontists use x-rays to help diagnose damage or disease that is not visible during a standard exam. Although radiation exposure associated with dentistry is minor, it's still important to take appropriate precautions to protect employees from unnecessary exposure. State laws and regulations set specific requirements for using x-ray machines. Number 3. Hazardous materials. Often referred to as the Employee Right to Know standard, OSHA's Hazard Communications Regulation requires employers to inform workers what hazards are present in the workplace and how they can keep themselves safe. As part of their jobs, dental professionals may come in contact with hazardous chemicals such as disinfectants and anesthetics. To keep staff safe, employers must provide employees with information and training on the hazardous chemicals present in their work area using language and vocabulary that employees can understand. Maintain an accurate list of hazardous chemicals in the workplace, label chemical containers and clearly identify the materials inside, and provide workers with safety data sheets for each substance which detail information about chemical hazards, side effects, exposure prevention, and emergency treatment procedures. Chemical manufacturers must provide safety data sheets to employers. By proactively addressing potential risks in their offices and prioritizing dental staff safety, dentists and orthodontists can reduce the possibility of workplace injuries and illnesses. For more information, tips, resources, and to request a quote, head to our website at employers.com.